Ray Contreras, I apologize, sir, if I'm mispronouncing your name. You are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. My name is Ray Contreras. I think I spoke with your office in Polk County. I don't know if you remember the story of my stepfather, the guardianship case that he went through. I've spoken to Alex Rizzo. I spoke recently with Coaster.
Representative Coster?
Yes, Representative Coster. And my family story is pretty horrific. I have two pieces of paper in my hand. One is from the Florida Bar, and one is an affidavit. The Florida Bar on this paper says it's okay for a lawyer to walk around with the military assault rifle scaring my mother in a mediation. This one is the lawyer crying that she was assaulted to the Florida Bar with a man with a gun. These are the kind of parties the Florida Bar is doing with our families. All of us are here because our families were taken away from us. You know, we saw how all of you were very compassionate about the nursing homes and the restriction. Well, this is happening to us every single day, regardless of COVID. And the Florida Bar, according to Senator Baxley, these attorneys are making a career out of these cases. These are attorneys that never go in front of a jury. They never have any expert witnesses. It's all these little closed hearings. And what you heard today was the Florida Bar saying they want to seal more things. The things that we're looking for are not medical records. They're not financials. We want to know the kickbacks, how the money's being spent based on the decision-making that's going on. For example, this court-appointed attorney was handpicked by Judge Stargel. And
Sir, I'm going to ask you to please refrain from naming individuals
Sure.
who are not here to defend themselves. Thank
okay,
you.
I understand. But what I'm saying is the police, you know, they swore a duty to protect and to serve, right? Yet we still require them to wear body cams because sometimes we question some of their decision-making when it comes to life and death. These professional guardians that took a 40-hour online course make life and death situations with these do not resuscitate orders. So why can't we have more oversight on their decision-making? Why is the Florida Bar here on this specific bill and not any other bill? I mean, we've been here for weeks and we never see the Florida Bar show up yet. This is a moneymaker for them. This is a $10 billion industry in Florida. And they're saying, well, we want to tell you how many guardians there are. We want to tell you how many wards there are, but we don't want to get into the kickbacks, the decision-making, why we sold someone's house for 50% below market value in Polk County. I mean, why we took an anesthesiologist from New York that was here on vacation and took over his life. What we're asking for is we like the database, but it needs to go a lot further. These people need to be regulated, and the only way to get rid of corruption is through transparency, just like we do with our police and those body cams. We need to see more of what's happening here. And I understand you were part of the Guardianship Task Force, but I reached out to your office. You said you were going to help me, and then next thing I know, the case got closed by the Elders Affairs Office. So this status quo has been going on for way too long. The Elders Affairs Office has yet to put a single guardian in jail or attorney in jail. Other states are more proactive, where they're arresting people like April Parks and all her attorneys and all her accomplices.
Sir?
And that's what the transparency is needed. We need this data to crack down on the abuse, the spending, and exploiting the families and keeping us away. You guys were very heartfelt, tearing up about not going to a nursing home, yet this is happening to us before COVID. So please share that same compassion, vote no on the amendment, and as far as the main bill, we need more. We're not asking for medical records, we're not asking for financials, but we need to know why these judges and lawyers are making these decisions and why they want to keep sealing their little scheme.
Thank you.